wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best outdoor umbrella bases. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Good for placing in corners or along walls, the easygo half holds up to 18 liters of water ballast. Its pole is fashioned from weather-resistant powder-coated steel and equipped with 2 knobs for tightening it to ensure a snug hold. It can hold umbrellas up to 11 feet tall and is compact and easy to store. However, it's not the most stable option. At number 9, for picnics, sporting events, or any other time spent relaxing on grassy areas, consider the original Umbrella Stand Blue. It's highly portable, backed by a lifetime warranty, and its 5.5-inch spikes take seconds to install or remove. It also works with fishing rods, and you have a choice of 2 support angles, but note that 2-inch poles won't fit. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Christopher Knight Home Berywn can accommodate umbrellas as large as 12 feet in diameter and comes with a convenient spacer for its stainless steel support rod, in case you want to use it to hold up a narrow pole. It's equipped with rubber feet to prevent it marring surfaces and a 55-pound solid granite base. It requires some simple assembly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor umbrella bases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the innovative Rhino basemate is made from weather-resistant military-grade polyester with a convenient side slit that simplifies installation. Using the scoop provided, a wide opening makes it easy to fill with up to 90 pounds of sand or pebbles. It's made with reinforced stitching and backed by a lifetime warranty, but it does work best on top of another base. Moving up our list to number 6. The versatile Best Choice Rattan has a compact design that will fit almost anywhere, and the wooden tabletop is large enough to accommodate party drinks and snacks, though it does require some additional anchoring to keep it stable in very windy weather. It's made of UV-resistant wicker with an interior storage space, however the legs are rather flimsy. Halfway up our list at number 5, the beachr sand anchor may not be a suitable choice for use on a deck or patio, but it's a great option for trips to the beach. Once you use its reinforced handles to drive its auger into the sand, it can withstand winds of up to 50 miles per hour. The ABS plastic won't corrode, and it includes a 1-year replacement warranty. It accommodates up to 2-inch poles. At number 4, the GDF Hercules is extremely easy to put together and offers a neutral yet elegant black finish that unobtrusively blends in with almost any patio or backyard decor. Its weight ensures it can withstand extreme weather conditions, though it is quite bulky. It's equipped with 4 locking wheels for mobility and is a solid concrete construction. However, it is prone to chipping. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, ideal for commercial or residential use, the Abba patio is made from a combination of recycled plastic and steel and weighs 50 pounds when it's filled with water. It can support a freestanding umbrella up to 11 feet tall. This one's good for windy conditions and is relatively easy to assemble. It's an elegant and stylish design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor umbrella bases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, perfect for most cantilever or offset patio umbrellas, the Sundale Outdoor comes as a set of 4 30-pound fan-shaped resin plates designed to support most cross bases. Each plate has the convenience of a built-in carrying handle for easy portability. They're rust-resistant and sport an antique bronze finish. They're a very durable construction. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the shademobile rolling uses 4 concealed polyurethane wheels to pivot effortlessly across any type of smooth surface. Its integrated brake pedal can be used to lock it in place, but it isn't designed for use with cantilever models. It can be filled with bricks or sand and is made in the USA with rounded corners for safety. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for outdoor umbrella bases, or simply click beneath this video.